Introducing the future of 3D printing in India, the Snapmaker U1. With 4 independent toolheads, you get real multicolor and multi-material printing with almost zero waste. Print at up to 500 millimeters per second with CoreXY precision. Switch filaments in just 5 seconds with SnapSwap. No purging, no waste. Auto filament loading, smart calibration, AI-powered print monitoring, every single detail feels next-gen. Pre-book your Snapmaker U1 today for just 19,999 rupees to get promotional discount. Be among the first in India to own the Snapmaker U1. Tap Pre-Order Now and secure yours today exclusively with 3idea technology.